Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by confirming the source audio and grabbing a local copy so you can fix issues without risking the original. You should check sample rate, channels, and codec. 48K HZ stereo is ideal. Once you download the best available stream, make a duplicate and label it as your working file. This prevents accidental overwrites while you edit. Make sure to note the original loudness and peaks. You will reference those numbers during restoration and normalization. Open your working file in a DAW or audio editor and run gentle noise reduction first, because aggressive filters cause artifacts. Next, remove clicks and use spectral repair for intermittent sounds. Once cleaned, sync audio to the video track. If drift appears, apply small time stretch adjustments rather than cutting. Then apply corrective EQ. Remove mud around 200 to 400 Hz and add presence between 3 and 6 kHz, but keep changes subtle to preserve natural tone. Finish by setting loudness to the platform target. For YouTube, aim for around -14 LUFS and limit peaks to -1 dBTP so you avoid clipping. Export using the same codec and a high bitrate, then replace the video file or upload a corrected audio track if the platform supports it. If playback still sounds wrong, clear browser cache, test on another device, and re-encode at different settings. If none of that works, contact support with your file details and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.